First, try the Relearn procedure for models without keyless start. Insert the key into the ignition and turn to the on position, but don't start the car. Simultaneously, press and hold the lock and unlock buttons on the fob for 10 to 15 seconds. Then cycle the ignition off and on a few times. Finally, test the fob to see if it works. If Relearn doesn't work, clean the battery contacts. Carefully open the key fob using a small screwdriver. Remove the battery and inspect the metal contacts for corrosion or dirt. Use a cotton swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol to gently clean them. Let them dry completely. Reinsert a fresh CR2032 battery, ensuring correct polarity. Reassemble the fob and try the Relearn procedure again. If you're still having trouble, the fob may have internal damage and need professional repair. Also, replace the battery every 2 to 3 years and check for firmware updates through the Hyundai app, which can prevent key fob issues.